Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a cave, like going through a mountain or a hill, whatever, to connect to another side of a map or whatever you want to do with it. So open up your map in 3ds Max. That's the previous one I did. These will all be released together, so yeah. And this is how I usually do it. I like to open up my front view. I like to go to spleens and make a line. And this is just so I can make any shape of the cave I want, pretty much. And because this is a tutorial, I'm not going to do anything new. I'm just going to do something really simple like this, and then you want to close it. Yes. Now back in your perspective, wherever that is, what you want to do is I forget exactly what it is, but alright, we want to go here, go to modifier list, go to face extrude. Now we got a face. Now convert to editable mesh. Now you want to grab that face you just made, pull it out, or no, extrude it out. Now you got that. And just create faces. There's really no need for this. Yeah, I'm not even going to do it. And just move it up to wherever you want it. Where I'm going to have this, I'm going to have it go through this part of the level to that part of the level. Alright. And it's not big enough, so just pull it on out till it is big enough. Now we have it touching both sides. Now what you're going to want to do is select the level and then select the faces intersecting with this, with the cave we're making, and then just delete them. And then you just want to weld those vertices together. So you only have 4 edges, or 4 vertices that you're going by on the level to connect. This just makes it easier. And then you want to attach that to that. Then you want to create some faces. So let's create these faces. And there you go. Oh, almost forgot. I want to create this one so we don't get any open edges or anything like that. Okay, that one going the wrong way too. Shit. Alright, there you go. Now this is what we got so far. And why is that open? I have no idea. Let's find out. That's why. Alright. you could just delete that face. Or better yet, I'm going to move this back because it's looking kind of crummy there. And you could just delete it. Now, make sure ignore back facing is off. Select all that. Then flip it. So now we got like an internal thingy. Now again, you're going to want to do the same thing for this side. Select all the faces that are intersecting with the cave you're making. Okay, there we go. Okay, and just to make sure we don't create any faces, I'm going to hide that we don't want created. Matter of fact, I'm just going to reflip that just so it's easier to create these faces on top. And don't forget to do this. You don't have to, but it just makes it a little bit easier. Then go to polygon, and then you want to create. So start creating. Just create all these. There you go. And there you go. And you want to give that a material ID of 3. Assuming that is your material for the walls there. There you go. Now this will give a 3, and then that will give material ID of 2. Okay. Now these look really crummy. I'm just going to run a UVW map over them. And I don't know why, but you're going to want to give that a UVW map. Or not. And if you're asking me why it's showing up like that, I don't know. Let's just yeah, smoothing, whatever. And there you go. That's a basic cave, like in a wall. That links two bases or two sides of a mountain together. I know the textures are really crummy. I can't fix them every time I do a UVW map on them. They get all funky on me and switch up to the ground texture, so I don't know. But basically that's what it is. Oh yeah, I can't stress enough to go into this little thing right here, then select all of it and hit STL check. Oh, we got open edges all over the place somewhere here. Oh, alright. Unhide all. Don't forget that one. Then STL check it again. Everything, no errors. There you go. You're good to go. This will compile fine in Tool. Export fine. Everything will be fine. Except for maybe the textures.